My dear children, this is the continuation of the Unit 3, Module 12. We are going to discuss about select command. Dear children, so far we discussed about the commands for modifying the table structure, database, and how to insert, how to delete, how to update. All the details or all the commands will do some updations in the database. Whereas select command will not update or modify any of the record. It is only used for fetch the desired records from the database or from the table. The select can be used to select both horizontal and vertical subset. That means we can, if there is 100 details or 100 records of employees, then we can select according to our wish. We can select 10, 12, 13, etc. If there is 5 or 6 columns, we can select only 1 or 2. So that is meant by that particular sentence. Select command can be used to select both horizontal and vertical subset. Coming to the syntax, select star or column name. Here star indicates all columns along with all records. All columns along with all records. Either we can give all the details or we can use our desired column names. From the table name, work condition. Normally work condition is optional. Work condition always used for choosing the records from a table. Selecting record. Selecting all records and all columns. We can give select star from employee. This is the example. So what may be the syntax? Select a star from table name, semicolon. Then if you are giving this, what will be the answer? It will display the entire table along with all columns and all the rows. Then selecting desired columns. So we can use the column names only. Also we can change the order of the column. Here we had used the column names employee number and employee name from employee table. So it will display only the details of employees, that is employee number along with their name. The rest of the details it won't fetch. Then changing the order of the column. We can change the order of the column for fetching. That is, we can first give department, then name. So how we are giving the select command? According to that only we will get the output. That is, here the first column is employee number, here the first one is department. So in the output for this query, we will get employee number as the first column. For this, department will be the first column. That is the only difference. We can change the order of the columns. Then, what is the use of a distinct keyword? If we don't want to see the duplicate rows in the output, we have to use distinct keyword. Look at the syntax given. Select a distinct of column name from table name. That is the syntax. Here the example is select a distinct of table, that is select a distinct of column from table name. Even though we are having more than one sales in the department or more than one record which is having sales department, it will display only one sales record. That means it will omit or it will eliminate the duplicates. We can also perform symbol calculations in MySQL. Example, select star 10 into 2. That means it will display 10 into 2 as the column name. Then it will display 20. Similar to that, the next one, 10 into 3, that is 30, divided by 6, we will get 5. So how will be the output? 10 into 3 divided by 6 will be the column name. Below that, you will get 5. For calculating symbol operations, SQL having dual table. It is a dummy table. It can be used for simple calculations. If we are not having any table to calculate, it contains only one row, one column. We can give select 100 plus 200 from dual. It will display 100 plus 200 as a column name. Then it will display the 300. Like that we will get. The cur date is used for getting the current date and time. The next one, calculation with the table. The simple calculation can be applied into tables also. Look at the query. Select name, salary into 12. Here salary into 12 is the simple calculation given. Annual salary is an alias name for salary into 12. Because there is a space. So we can give alias name for a column by giving a space. Look at the second example. Select EMPNO salary plus 1000. So every employee's salary will be displayed as it is incremented with the 1000. Then look at that update comment. The simple calculations can also be used with the update comment. Here the total is updated with total equals the mark of physics plus chemistry plus maths plus CS plus English. So the total will be displayed or updated within the table. My dear children, I think you are all clear about how to use select comment. Thank you.